Namaste students, myself Jevin Anshika Kushwaha from Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science from Department of Food and Biotechnology. Our subject is microbial technology and today's session is biochemical properties of lactic acid bacteria. So here we starting. So first of all, we will discuss what is lactic acid. So lactic acid are also known by the IUPAC name 2-hydroxypropanic is an organic acid biosynthesized as intermediate of sugar metabolism in body. It is also used by food industry as preservative. So now we discuss formula and structure. The lactic acid chemical is formula is C3H6O3 and its extended chemical formula is C3CHOHCH2H. So next, now discuss occurrence. So lactic acid is produced naturally in muscles during excretion through the conversion of pyruvate catalyzed by the enzyme lactate dehydrogenase. This reaction is used in biotechnology industry on the process known as lactic acid fermentation. It is also be found in sour milk and other milk derivatives such as yogurt and cottage cheese. So now we discuss preparation. Lactic acid can be prepared from two strategies, the biotechnological and synthetic method. The biotechnology method, the lactic acid is produced in large scale by the fermentation and carbohydrate and nutrients by microorganism. The fermentation is also produces formic and acetic acid. The synthetic preparation of lactic acid is made from acetaldehyde and carbon monoxide. Physical properties. So lactic acid is a colorless and yellow syrupy liquid or a white powder. And then chemical property, lactic acid is a weak organic acid. However, it can also react in the same way to other stronger acid. The carboxylic acid group presents in the molecule donate a hydrogen ion in the presence of bases. On the most relevant characteristic of lactic acid is a double physical structure state that can present. So what are the uses of lactic acid? Lactic acid is used in the medicine as a intravenous fluid that work as isotonic to resuscitation after blood loss. It can also be used as raw material to produce some polymers. Lactic acid is largely used in food industry as a food preservative and flavoring in chemical industry to manufacture detergent and mosquito lure. So what are the health effect and safety hazards? Lactic acid in high concentration can irritate severely eyes and other mucous membrane. If ingested in higher concentration, it may be corrosive. When heated in presence, diazo compound can produce inflammable or toxic acid. It can react with sulfite, nitrites, and thiosulfate, also generating toxic gases. It can corrode many metals. So this is all about lactic acid, and it is an organic compound. So now we discuss what is lactic acid bacteria. So lactic acid bacteria are an order of gram positive, gram low gram GC and acid tolerant, generally non-sporulating, non-spiring, either rod-shaped bacillus or spherical bacteria that share common metabolic and physiological characteristics. These bacteria are usually found in decomposing plant and animal milk product, produce a lactic acid as the major metabolic end product of carbohydrate fermentation. This trait has throughout history linked LAB with food fermentations. So this is the characteristic of lactic acid bacteria are either rod-shaped or spherical and are characterized by increased intolerance to acidity. This aspect help lab to out complete other bacteria in natural fermentation. So this is all about the lactic acid bacteria properties, biochemical properties. So if you have any query regarding this session, you can write in comment section. Thank you.